Yes, I mean too. Please.
That's it.
How are you? Thank you so much.
Send me the address. So I want to see the hotel where I catch you on Wednesday. I'm going to be in Paris.
Okay.